Hi everyone, I'm doing an overnight fishing. It's 9 p.m. and I got this little boy. I can't release it because it swallowed the hook and it's bleeding too much, so I can't release it. I'm gonna take it. Okay, I'm gonna take it. I'm using Blueworm right now. I have one fish. Very beautiful. Okay. Beautiful night. Doesn't matter what time you fish, always there's good moment for fishing. So right now I'm fishing at the beach. I'm just trying to get something here. Okay, waiting for something different. Okay, I got something bigger, but I don't know what is it. But this is bigger. Wow, it's really bigger. It's a fish, definitely it's a fish. I'm not sure what fish is it. Ah, another croaker. This is a nice yellowfin. Nice one. I have a 10 minutes here. My second cast, second fish. Okay. I think I'm gonna cast with the same bait. Okay, we're gonna cast with the same bait. Not too far, not too close. Just there. Oh, weather is going higher now. I'm sure the next one's gonna bite very fast. No, don't wanna get wet. So just go up here. It's a peaceful night. It's a beautiful night. I'm fishing alone. It's 10 p.m. No, it's like 9:30 p.m. I just came here from work, so I'm already have two fish. The pier is too crowded, too many people. So it's not good to fish anymore at the pier, too many people. But here you can see it's a beautiful place. Just waiting a little bit, but it's quite so fast. So this is the beach. It's hard to see it, but this is where I am fishing right now. You can see I'm standing on this big cliff. Beautiful cliff. This is where I am fishing right now. This camera can see at night, but the other one can't. It's very dark because the moon is not showing up right now yet. There's some kids doing fireworks, having some fun. It's a beautiful place. I'm sure they're enjoying the place so much because it's beautiful, it's peaceful. Waves are not strong, and oh wow, so beautiful. There's a lot of spots to get fish at night. day, morning. I like to go different places, but last month current was super strong, so there's no way to fish because on the surf because the current was too strong. But right now you can see the wave is very calm, very calm. If it is like it tomorrow, next week, I'm gonna get sargo here in the same spot. The sargo's gonna bite after Father's Day on the surf everywhere. For me, after Father's Day is already officially to catch a sargo on the surf. There's many spots that you can catch sargo at surf on the evening, but I work in the evening, so I have to come at night. So beautiful. Okay, I continue now. It's very good to have 2 or 3 baits because you don't know what the fish is gonna bite. So when you fish, bring 2 or 3 different baits. Like right now, I have bloodworm. This is my bloodworm, and I have maso. And here I can get sand crab, so then I have already my 3 bait. In this place, there's a lot of sand crabs. From now, everywhere you can find sand crabs, so don't worry for sand crabs. Everywhere you can find them now. Now cast. Let's see what's there for me. How long is it gonna take to get this fish? I have get one fast. Okay. I'm only using 1 rod because it's hard to use 2 rods at night. So I'm using 1 rod. Yeah, it's on. It's a big one. It's a good one. I hope it's a big one. Yeah, it's a good size. No, maybe smaller. Let's see. Yeah, it's a good size. Very nice size of yellowfin. It's bigger than the pier, like twice bigger than the ones on the pier. Already have this one I got on Maso. See guys, it's very good size. It's not too small, it's very good size. Very nice one. Now I have 3 fish. This night's gonna be so beautiful for me. Okay, I have to cast the same bait. I'm not going to change it. I'm gonna catch just the same one. Just fix it on the hook and cast it. Let me fix this part too because the line tangle. A little bit tangle. But it could be a problem later, so I have to fix it now. Okay, it's ready now. Ready to cast again. We're doing very good. Very good. Oh my gosh. I have 3 fish. 9 56. Okay. Let's see what's coming on. Let's see if there's another bite. another one. I have another one. This one is bigger, I think. Or it's the same size. Yeah, it's a good size too. Huh, it's a nice one too. See, very good size. Wow. I already have 4 now. The parking due at the 11. So I have to get my limit before 11 to go home and to get a ticket. Wow, this is crazy. I'm catching a lot of bites. Got a lot of bites, but I have to fish. Yeah. And I'm using Masso, open Masso. Oh my gosh, don't jump because the bike is not that big for you. Okay, we're gonna put another piece of Masso. Okay. No sargo. If I can get some sargo here, because this is a bad spot that I get sargo at night too, but no sargo yet. Anyways, I'm doing good. I'm doing very good. Now we're just gonna wrap this one. We're gonna get some nice one too. Okay, cast again. Get another one. Haha. Peaceful, beautiful. Nice. Come on, bait. Let's cast not too far now. I know the fish is not far. Ha. I think I cast in the mouth. I have to wait a little bit now. A little bit. I got a bite. I got a nice bite, so I have to wait now. Yeah, it's biting, it's biting, it's biting. It's biting. Yeah, we have this one is here. This one is big. This one is big one. This one is good size. Yeah, this is a good size. A good size. Haha. Ha. I can see it. I'm not sure if it's so big, but okay. Ah. So is this big or no? Oh yeah, this one is bigger. Oh, a yellowfin, big yellowfin. Wow. It's a nice yellowfin, guys. Wait, let me show you on camera. Oh, no, it to be famous. Sure. See? This is a big one. I got right now. Wow. This is a surprise. A nice yellowfin. Okay, let's take the hook. Okay. Oh, beautiful fish. I have 5. I have 5 fish now. Ah. A little bit more bait and we cast again. Oh wow. This is beautiful night. wish my friends are here to see and get some fish, but I will bring them so they can get some fish. And wow, at the Oceanside Pier the fish stop biting at night, but other places the fish bites anytime. So if you are the one fish that want some fish but you don't have time, you can come at night surf fishing anywhere. Just find a good spot that you can be safe. Remember, safe is the first thing for fishing. So just find a place that you can be safe and you can fish. Okay, I'm gonna do my last cast. Then I go sleep because in the morning I'm going to try Sargo but on the jetty, and let's see if I can get something over there. But this going to have to be my last cast and see if I get something. I already have 5 fish. If I don't catch more fish, it's fine, but I have to try the Sargos on the jetty. That's why I need to go sleep and wake up tomorrow very early, 4 a.m. So I have to be at jetty 5 a.m. The low tide is about 7. I have to be there before low tide. So there's the fish. Here's what they got tonight. 5. 1 hour and a half, 5 fish. Almost 1 hour and a half. It's like 1 hour 15 minutes.